going on, y'all? Check me out here, and I'm currently at Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World, and they have a new experience coming very soon known as the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy. Now, they've allowed me the opportunity to unbox with you the biggest package I have ever unboxed on my channel, right here behind me. I'm excited. I hope you all are too. Hit that thumbs up button down below if you are. Even drop a comment of what you think it might be, and let's jump right on into it. Okay, so I'm sitting here with Tony Giordano, the show director for the Lightning McQueen Race Academy experience. If you could tell us a little bit about the Lightning McQueen experience in terms of what you mean.
It's going to be amazing. So, as we know in the films, Lightning McQueen was a racer, and in 3 he started turning towards becoming a mentor.
Okay.
So he has opened up the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy to teach all of the young rookie racers how they can be racers as well. So we, as rookie racers, will go into this facility, and it's a really state-of-the-art place. It's 17-foot screens, 250-degree angle. It's like a wraparound screen, and it's mocking up a race simulator. So as we sit, there's a nice little pre-show with Sally and Mac, and then Mater appears, and so we have Mater in the show, and then Lightning will appear. It's amazing to see. To be able to sit there and watch him teach you how to race with this content on the screen it's a high energy, like a great fun time.
So I don't know if you're able to say or not, but is it like a VR experience?
Well, it's very, that's a great question. You sit down, and like I said, the screens are 17 foot, so you're getting the same experience everyone else. You don't have to wear any apparatus. But it's fantastic because there's 9 projectors.
Oh, wow.
Putting up this content. So when you see Mater on the screen, it's bigger than life Mater, and Cruz Ramirez is there, and a few other characters from the Cars movies. But then you have Lightning McQueen like actually there. You're basically racing with Lightning McQueen's point of view. So this whole thing of cars going by and the sound, and it's an original score. It's all new animation from the characters, so it's truly a unique experience in the Cars world that we've never seen before.
Sounds very immersive.
Yeah.
Like maybe better than like a 4D experience possibly, or similar?
Well, if I could shoot oil and water on people, I would, but we're not doing that.
Okay. I know I focus a lot on tech and what I do, so if you could tell us a little bit about some of the maybe cool tech-related things in regards to...
Like I said, what's been great is working with Pixar to create this experience that will bring us into the Cars world. So like I said, the screens being 17 foot tall, you don't really quite understand how big that is until you're in there.
Okay.
And it's completely, if you're sitting in the back, you can almost see it. When you're in front, you're right there. Lightning will turn around, and you're looking right in his eyes, and he's talking to you, and then he'll turn and do the racing, and then when you're watching all this stuff. So technology-wise, I'm impressed because it's a lot of content on a big screen. So yeah, you really feel like you're there.
So I think we both look like we're ready for Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy.
And you can see it right here at Disney's Hollywood Studios this spring, 2019. Come out and see it. Ka-chow.